Hello everyone, I'm Sia. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro and Lonsdor Honda Smart Key to program 2020 Honda Accord Smart Key. Now let's plug in the OBD communication cable.
After plugging in the OBD cable, we choose to generate smart keys. Select the corresponding menu according to original car key. Put the generated console smart key into the card slot. Click Generation. OK. Generated successfully. We return to the main menu. Select IMO and Remote. Select the corresponding menu according to original car key. Select Smart Key. Push button. I will show you the process of all smart key lost. Click OK according to the prompts. Now take all the smart keys out of the car. Click OK when done. Put one smart key to program in the car. Press the start button twice. See if you can turn on the ignition switch. The ignition switch can be turned on. Click OK. The original car key is a 4 chip. Click OK. Enter the number of keys we want to program to. Remove other smart keys. Click OK. Put another programming key in the car. Complete the operation within 15 seconds as prompted. The security light is off. Click OK. Complete the operation according to the prompt. Number of keys programmed 2. Check all keys to ensure that each one can start the engine and lock or unlock the doors. Program complete. OK.
Programming successfully. We need to try if the smart key function is normal. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.